Hello everybody and welcome to the video. In this video I want to talk about varicocele grades and symptoms, and most importantly, what can I do when I have a grade 1, a grade 2 and a grade 3. Hello everybody and welcome to the video. In this video I want to talk about varicocele grades and symptoms, and most importantly, what can I do when I have a grade 1, a grade 2 and a grade 3. So the first grade is the grade 0, which is subclinical, when the varicocele is not visible and not palpable, but can be visualized via Doppler sonography, which is like when you have a baby, like ultrasound. And the symptoms that occur at this stage are rarely cause problems, nor is it visible. Affected people may feel a slight stinging, pulling sensation in the scrotum from time to time, which comes and goes. So what can I do? Generally, it's great that you realize that you have varicocele in this early state. To prevent it from getting bigger, it's the best time to carry out the first natural treatments methods, like changing lifestyle factors that could be reason for appearance of first symptoms. For example, stop doing alcohol, stop doing smoking, stop drinking too much coffee, and or change your diet to a more healthy one. And you know yourself best, and therefore you know what to do. So the next grade of varicocele is grade 1, under Valsalva maneuver. This means like press breathing. It's palpable but not visible testicular varicocele vein. At the grade 1 symptoms, the first degree, they may cause slight problems from time to time, but it's not yet visible. A feeling of overheating is also most likely to be short-lived than permanent. However, under pressure, breathing, the varicocele grade can already be felt during palpation. So it is very likely that the affected person will feel a slight stinging, pulling sensation in the scrotum from time to time, which comes and goes. However, one continues to give a little thought to the consequences that may come. So at grade 1, what can I do? Grade 1 is still a soft but already mentionable state of varicocele. The varicocele is already advanced. Now it's necessary to act and take the first countermeasures to prevent the creeping further development of the varicocele and to achieve a regression as soon as possible. Also in this case, look first on your lifestyle factors and find out what's the specific cause, or in your individual case. Having found them and improved the relevant lifestyle factors, it's a good time to start with regular cooling and measures like wearing varicocele trousers and varicocele underwear. So the next grade is grade number 2. The varicocele is palpable but under resting conditions not visible. A grade 2 varicocele is very likely to cause mild to moderate, if not major, problems in everyday life, more often in severity 2. The varicocele is already palpable at the rest while laying down, but it was very clearly visible. There may be, especially in the evening, a visible lower hanging testicle, usually on the left, which may be perceived by affected person as not quite normal anymore in front of the mirror. The varicocele vein is often noticeable in everyday life by a stinging, pulling sensation in the scrotum, which comes and goes. Also during, especially towards the end of the day, the first feeling of overheating of the affected testicle may occur. It is now high time to take natural treatment methods to prevent the further development and achieve a regression of the varicocele. So attention to this days, if you're still wearing boxer shorts, the testicles and varicocele hang freely in the air and are directly exposed to gravity. Be sure to get varicocele appropriate clothing now. The varicocele has already developed and is causing the first problems in everyday life. So what can you do? What else can you do? In general, the higher the grade of varicocele is, the more natural treatment methods should be used to prevent its further development and support to cure the veins naturally. When having varicocele grade 2, it's latest time to wear appropriate trousers and underwear to maintain a good air circulation and cooling throughout the day. Furthermore, please consider watching all further videos lessons carefully and use the exclusive white papers to improve and add more natural treatment methods from day to day. But don't go crazy, start step by step. Maybe start with my 21 days quick start plan that I will link under the video. Begin with the quick start methods to take the most effective measures at the start. So the next and the last and the worst state of varicocele is varicocele grade 3. It's already under rest conditions, early palpable and clearly visible testicular veins. When a third-degree varicocele has been diagnosed, absolutely alertness applies. Affected individuals will frequently and regularly experience mild to moderate, if not major, problems with the varicocele in everyday life. A grade 3 varicocele is palpable even at rest and is also clearly visible. When standing, a very low hanging, mostly left testicle is visible, especially in the evening, which is perceived by affected persons in front of the mirror as no longer healthy. The varicocele may be heavily filled with blood in the evening, causing the affected testicle to overheat unnaturally. Associated with a third-degree varicocele is often a slight testicular atrophy, is the shrinkage, as like the testicle getting smaller, which occurs as a result of the constant overheating of the affected testicle, especially in the evening. Feeling of overheating to sometimes also fear is also frequently experienced. Fatigue and unexplained tiredness may also be a consequence of third-degree varicocele. So what can I do? Even if varicocele grade 3 is considered to be the highest state, it's no reason to go crazy. Varicoceles are considered to other diseases low risk and low harmful, so don't worry too much. Try to keep cool and start with quick start measures also in this stage of varicocele. Seeing the results within the next 7 to 21 days will give you more confidence, and most important, let yourself relax and know that we can take it back under control. Also good news for us is that symptoms such as testicular atrophy, pain and overheating can be completely treated with the natural treatment methods that I show you. It is now high time to start natural varicocele treatment to avoid the threat of surgery, but I'm sure we can make it. So enjoy watching the next video lessons and learn all about natural treatment and its effectiveness.